fix Temu wish list. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. There is a lot of people asking me about Temu wish list because they didn't found in Temu app. So in today's video I have this solution. So the first things guys you need to do is to open your settings of your phone. Then you have to come to apps option. Here on apps option you will find like a lot of applications, or all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for Temu. Open it like this, and right now what you should do, you have to come to storage and click on clear cache. I used it before, that's why I can't click on it, but don't click clear data, they will delete your data. Go back and click on force stop. Also I used it before, that's why I can't use it right now. Force stop here down, as you see guys here, and then you will come to your Play Store and update your Temu. And after this guys, when you update it, when you open your Temu, you will find that your problem wish list, it will be solved. And if it not solved guys, you have to disallow or disinstall your Temu and install or download it again. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. So if you have any question, you can write it down in comments, and see you in another videos.